The dreaded beard itch phase that many guys that are growing a beard go through. However, it's not all of them. It's not something that you have to experience. So let's break down why it's happening and then some tips and tricks to avoid the beard itch. To introduce the video and myself, my name is Dan C. Bearded. I create beard content and I love educating about it. And a company that appreciates that and that loves helping you guys is Dead Man's Beard Co. So we partnered up to bring you guys some content for their YouTube channel. If that sounds great to you guys with a cost of exactly free, baby, you don't have to pay a penny. Just interact with the video, like it, share it, comment, subscribe if you're not. We are bringing you videos every single Friday. That's the plan at least. And today, it's about beard itch. So beard itch, it's not something that I experience really at all. And that's just being straight up transparent. This isn't a video where I'm like, bro, I relate, I got you. Nope, I didn't go through that. I'm not currently going through that. And you likely do not have to either. Now, the absolute cause of this is hair poking through the skin and being uncomfortable at the skin level. Makes sense? Especially if you're someone that has shaved the hair on your face, you are creating a blunt angle on that hair as it exits. Some hair types are more prone to than others because of the angle they're exiting. Now, let's see what we can do about it, / kind of what are the causes. The first one is very simple. If you have a beard that is very short and you're going through that initial itch phase, that stubble phase, it's likely because your skin does not have enough nourishment, whether internally or externally. Now, what do you mean internally, Dan? Water, hydration. If you are dehydrated, it is like throwing the most gasoline on a fire that you could ever imagine to really speed up the intensity of that beard itch. If your skin is nourished and is healthy, you're going to have hydrated skin that the hair just exits and it's not a big deal. It's not irritating it, but if it's dry and cracked, you can imagine a sharp hair poking through is going to cause a lot of problems. So number one, internally hydrate, have a good diet, have great exercise, lower stress, all of that stuff, but hydration is number one. And then on the outside, what are you doing to moisturize and nourish your skin? In the very beginning, if you have a skin routine, you're probably okay. Even before beard care, if you're someone that's using face serums and face moisturizers and proper face washes, you're off to a better start than someone that was not. But once the hair starts growing, it's time to switch to things like beard oil. This is designed first and foremost for the skin underneath the beard, for this exact reason, but also so it can smell good. It can also promote better growth, healthy hair, but to prevent beard itch, to prevent beard dandruff. That's huge, right? Dead Man's has a blend that is specifically designed for that. Now, I said first and foremost, beard oil is not only just for the skin, it is also for the hair, and here is a reason that brings both of those sides together. Beard itch, and then the hair. What are you talking about, Dan? As you grow your beard longer, you can still run into beard itch phases, or even a beard itch in general if you're not properly caring, because we produce sebum oil. Sebum oil is supposed to nourish the skin. It's supposed to be a lubricant as you grow hair out. However, again, if you're dehydrated, if you have sharp hairs, that isn't going to matter much. But as your beard gets longer, your body only produces so much sebum oil, and these hairs are porous. These hairs fill up with things like water and oil. So as you produce that sebum oil, it's going to leach away from your face down the hair and do what it's supposed to get through the hair. However, you're pulling that lubrication away from your face. You're pulling that nourishment away from where you need it, and it's going to start to cause that itch. That's where beard oil comes in. Where your body cannot produce enough of that sebum oil on your face, we look to add in something that is arguably scientifically and personally better than natural sebum oil. To me, it does a better job of nourishing. It sure as heck smells better. I think it feels better. Something like Dead Man's can make all that difference. So there are reasons why beard itch is happening. However, there are solutions that can 100% take it away. Down below, you guys, did you go through a beard itch phase? Have you tried Dead Man's Oil? Are there other tips and tricks that worked for you, like exfoliating to get rid of that beard itch? Can't wait to read your comments, you guys. I know Dead Man's and the owner, Brian, appreciates it. Get involved and go check out www. Does anybody even type anymore? Regardless, deadmansbeardco.com, and have a fantastic day, you guys.